Good afternoon there, Skirl modelers. Welcome back to Mid-Century Model Works. Let's get into this part 2 of the group build here. And away we go. Alright, there I have the front axle done. You can see I had a little crack right there. These parts are kind of fidgety and very fragile. And I had to scratch build the mud flap area right here. I lost the little bracket that went there. It went ping off into the wild blue yonder. And there she is, all primed. There she is, got the mud flaps done, got everything mocked up, the line sanded away. Okay, yeah, I used the 10,000 styrene and I used number 294 angle to make that bracket. There she is, all painted up. And there she is with the mud flaps installed. The original mud flaps just weren't wide enough. These gave it a more realistic look. And here's the little 6-banger. I decided to kick it up a notch and decided to go ahead and wire this sucker. And so I had to scratch build a distributor, and then I had to add the wiring to it. And there is I turned down with just a file off of a, okay, there, that was the wire that I used. Yeah, I just turned that little strip of styrene down until I got it to the thickness that I wanted, and then I just clipped it off and drilled a hole into the block. Okay, there she is, wired up, or in the process of being wired up. Yeah, you see how tiny this engine is? It fits inside of a 1/24th scale wheel. There you can see a little better shot of it right there. That's the engine sitting inside that wheel. And here is the tarp that I've made. I use that out of Brawny hand towels. To me it had a thicker consistency. Just used Mod Podge and water. Did a 50-50 mix ratio and just dabbed it on with a brush. Now it's time to add the valve stems. As you can see, there's a little tiny valve stem poking out right there. Yep, there you go. You see her now? And I made that with a little drill bit and some brass wire. Yeah, this is how tiny that wheel is. It's big as my thumbnail. To give things a little bit of a perspective. Yeah, there we go. It was 0.29. Okay, here we see everything already painted. We're just ready for some assembly now. Alright folks, take care and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.